Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech. In this video, I will talk about a trick to earn more play points. I am using this trick from July and it worked several times. So please watch this video till end, otherwise it will not work. The best way to earn play points is installing new apps from Play Store. This trick is related to that. We got app installing task one or two times in a month, but with the help of this trick, you will get more app installing tasks and you will get more play points. Here you can see I am in Play Store and now I am in Google Play Points page, and here you can see I did not have a installing task. Okay, here you can see clearly I did not have a app installing task so that I can earn play points. Okay, now I will use the trick and then you will see what happened. Now here is how to enable the trick. Okay, to enable the trick you have to follow my steps. Here you can see you have to go to the application info of the Play Store app. Okay, here you can see, and then what you have to do, you have to just clear the Play Store data. I repeat, you have to clear the Play Store data, and here you can see, and then what you have to do, you have to just go back to the Play Store and then it will log in automatically. Just you have to do this simple thing and then you will see the magic. Okay, and here you can see I am going to Play Store and it will automatically log in all your accounts, and then what you have to do, you have to switch to your United States account where your play points is enabled. Okay, and here you can see this is my Indian account and the other account I will log in, and that is my United States account. Just you have to log into that account. Okay, and then when you go to the play points page you will see the magic. Okay, let's wait for some times, and I am logging now and it is loading. Let's just wait and then you will see what happened. And here you can see I am logged into my account, and then what you have to do, you have to go to the play points, and then at the bottom of the play points page here you can see I got a new installing task. I will get 5 points when I will complete the task. Okay, so what you have to do, here you can see it is Angry Birds 2, and you have to just tap on the install and then you have to tap on the cancel and you will get 5 points automatically, so you don't have to install the app. Okay, and here you can see, and just back from here and then you will see I have 5 more points. Okay, here you can see now I have 202 points. Okay, so I got 5 points by installing this new application. Okay, so this is the trick, and with the help of this trick you will get more play points. Now what you have to do, you just have to use this simple trick to earn more play points, and I will recommend you to use this trick more and more, and you will get more play points with the help of this trick. And when you got 5 points, then you will try this after some days and you will get more points. Okay, so you have to do this again and again so that you can earn more play points. Okay, and if you get play points with the help of this trick, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and like this video if you enjoy, and bye, see you guys in the next video.